Assalamu alaikum students. Now transformation of sentences. Exercise 1, as I have already explained you all in part 1, the rules of removing adverb to. Now there is more rule to remove adverb to. As we have learned, the cat was too clever to be caught. Now, in this sentence we have changed the cat was, in place of to we have written so, clever to, in place of to we have written that. Now, the cat, it is animal, as I have already told you all, so we will write it. And when it is in past, we will write could. And then we have to write could not, as I have explained. In present it is cannot, and in past it is could not be caught. Now this sentence, this house is too small for me to live. Now see in this sentence the difference between the two sentences. Now here the sentence is direct, too clever to be caught. Now in this sentence, this house is too small for me to live. So the rule for this sentence will be, this house, till here it is the same. Okay, this house is too small, in place of for, that. Now in place of me we have to write I. Now I make it clear. Say this table. In place of me we have to write I. In place of us we have to write we. In place of them we have to write they. And in place of you it will be the same you. So now our sentence is me, for me. So as you all have seen that me, for we will write I. So we will write here I. And it is present. So we will write cannot. Cannot live in it. I hope it is clear. Now one more sentence to make it more clear. It is too dark for us to see anything. Now see, it is, in place of to we have to write so, dark, that. Now in place of us, as we have learned, in place of us is we. So we will write, in place of us we will write we. Cannot, as sentence is in present form, the sentence is it was too dark. So what we will write here? Could not. If the sentence is was, then we will write here could not. But sentence is, so we will write cannot see anything. Clear? Okay. Now see the second sentence. It is too hot. When the sentence is too hot, means there is no for or there is no to, then we have to write, in place of to we will write extremely. Clear? It is too hot, so we will write it is extremely hot. Your sentence is complete. Now see in sentence exercise 1, see the sentence 3. The shoe is too big for my foot. This two is not there. We have to see the two, TO2. So what we will write? The shoe is extremely big for my foot. Clear to you all? Now the sentence which were remaining of 4 sentences rule, you all have to complete it. Exercise 1. Now you all have to complete it. Exercise 1. This is your homework. And if there is any queries or any confusion, you all can ask me in the comment box. Okay, and I will make it clear. Now exercise 1. I hope it will be clear to you all. Then next I will explain exercise 2, which is inserting 2. Now we have learned removing 2. Now in next video we will learn inserting 2. So I hope now it is clear to you all. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.